All right, this question is asking me to draw resonance structures. It's telling me um, N2O3, so I'm checking how many valence electrons nitrogen and oxygen have. Nitrogen has 5, oxygen has 6. It tells me it should be O, N, N, O2, so I assume that means both of those O's would go on that N. When I count up my total electrons, I would have 28. Complete the octet on everything. All right, count them up. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. Okay, so I'm going to need to put in some multiple bonds, 2 of them, right, to get that number down from 32 to 28. So one thing I could do is I could put one on the oxygen on the left and one on the oxygen on the right. And I kind of crossed stuff off and then I drew it neatly. That's one. I'm counting to make sure, but I think this is right. I should have 28. Or, okay, I'm checking formal charges. Remember formal charge, how many does it have from the periodic table? That's 6 for oxygen, minus 1 for every dot, minus 1 for every line. We want all zeros. So the first oxygen is 0, the nitrogen is 0, the nitrogen is plus 1, this oxygen is 0, and this oxygen is 6 minus 1 is negative 1. All right, so they add up to 0. That's good. Resonance structures. Okay, so now the other place I could put the double bonds, I could put it to the one on the left. Okay, first I tried this. That's not going to work. So I'm just trying all the combinations of oxygens that I could put it between. Okay, here's a problem. Now I'm trying to complete my octets. This is a problem because my nitrogen has 5 bonds. That's already 10 electrons, and that breaks the octet rule. Nitrogen cannot have an expanded octet, and so that's not an option. But I could put one on the left and the one on the bottom. That works. So those would be my resonance structures.